Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Reneé and Jeppe. And today we're doing a hairstyle with inspiration from AARON Ramsey. We're doing this short quiff and taper the sides. Yeah. Are you up for it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I had a dream once, I kept it close. It seemed so important to have it all then. I used to believe that I needed to be someone to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right, but now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich.
Okay, Jeppe, so today we are inspired by the footballer AARON Ramsey. Today we will just take a little bit off the top and then we will make a good fade on the side. You up for it?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yes, perfect.
I never needed what they expected of me. All I ever needed was me to believe in my God telling me I don't want that life, or all the things you're supposed to like. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich. Isn't it funny?
Sidekick for heat protection, volume, and 25 hour hold.
It seems so important to have it all then. I used to believe that I needed to be someone to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right.
Platinum with stronghold and medium shine.
But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich.
So Jeppe, are you doing anything special this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to my father-in-law's birthday.
Good
Yeah.
to have a nice clean haircut for the celebration.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yes, congratulations to your father-in-law.
Thanks.
Yeah, hope you get a great day. Ta-da! Some moisturizing.
All I ever needed was me to believe in my God telling me I don't want that life, or all the things you're supposed to like. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich.
Alright, that was the AARON Ramsey inspired hairstyle. How do you like it?
I think it's perfect.
You did a great job, Reneé.
Thank you so much.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next time.